Want a cookie that's sweet, cheery, and impossible to mess up? These sugar sprinkle cookies are quick to make and always a hit. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true easy recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make sugar sprinkle cookies. They're soft, buttery, and rolled in colorful sprinkles for a fun little extra. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. So the first thing we need to do for our cookies is to get our butter and our sugar cream together. So I have some butter here. We're gonna get that in there. And to help things along, I have some Crisco. So just some shortening there. And then we're going to add a little bit of, a little more than a little bit. We're going to add some white granulated sugar to the bowl. Next up, we have eggs. I'm going to add 2 of those. And just a little bit of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this until it's light and fluffy and everything is creamed together. Okay, that is looking great. Now we're going to start adding our dry ingredients. So I have here some all-purpose flour. And then our secret ingredient to making these ultra fluffy and puffy, we have some vanilla pudding, some instant vanilla pudding. 1 pack of that, a little bit of baking powder, and just a touch of salt. Back in with the mixer till everything is combined. Okay, this looks great. Let me get my baking sheet and we will get these cookies rolled out. Next phase of our cookies, we need to roll them out. So I have my trusty cookie scoop. We're just going to take a scoop of that. I love using a cookie scoop for this because it always makes the same size cookie. I'm gonna roll it into a ball and then into our sprinkles. We're going to roll that in there, get it coated on all the sides, and that's it. Super easy. I can already tell this dough is going to be so light and soft. That's what the Crisco is helping to do, and that pudding mix. The batter just feels so nice. Okay, so we have a full tray of our cookies rolled out. I'm gonna keep rolling these, but I'm gonna pop these into the oven so we can get tasting them. Okay, our cookies are done. Don't they look adorable? I just love them. So while they cool for a minute before I get them onto the cooling sheet, I cannot stand how cute these are. They come together fast, and really there's no fancy ingredients or anything. It's just simple cookies rolled in sprinkles. I just love it. You can switch up the sprinkles for any occasions, birthdays, holidays, or just because. Use whatever color you want. And these are great for baking with the kids because they love to help roll them in the sprinkles. Now I'm going to try to transfer these to a cookie sheet. Oh yeah, they're perfect. We want to get these cooled all the way through. I cannot wait to dive in. So I'm going to go with this guy here. It's still a little warm and soft, but I am going in. Oh yeah. You guys, the pudding. That pudding mix, secret ingredient. It makes them so tender. These sugar sprinkle cookies are definitely a keeper. They're simple, festive, and they always put a smile on your face. Make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thank you for baking with me today. If you love classic treats with a twist, be sure to check out my Jif peanut butter cookies next. They're just as easy and just as addictive. Click right here and I will see you over there.